This is external hip rotation, pails and rails. So first of all, we're going to work on our stretch. So to do this, I want you to sit on a chair, on a box, whatever surface is suitable, cross your leg over the other. I don't want you to be close like this. I want you to try and get as nice a rotation in the outside of the hip as possible. Bring your foot as close to your body as possible, and then sit as upright, so not rounding over. And now we've got this nice stretch, so I'm feeling it all around on the tissue on the outside of my hip, and I can create more stretch by putting a little bit of weight into there. Flex your foot so you don't put too much strain on the lateral side of the knee. Keep the chest nice and upright, and just hold that stretch for the prescribed amount of time. You may need to build up your tolerance in this position, but go for the prescribed amount of time in your program. Hold that stretch, and then once we've stretched for that prescribed amount of time, working up towards 2 minutes in this position, we're going to use the hand to push the knee away towards the floor, but fight by pushing the knee back into the hand. So we're creating tension, and we're going to hold that position for 10 seconds. Push, 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 working on the internal tissue of the hip. Push, 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 building up the intensity over 10 seconds. Then you're going to release the hand, and then you're going to try and move your knee towards the floor using only your hip. So working towards the floor, trying to turn this foot up towards the ceiling, externally rotating, not creating any pain, but just working as hard as you can with that tissue, and then come out and then back into the stretch. You should find you've got a little bit more range. And you're going to hold there, just hold that stretch again, and see if you do another set as prescribed. If you open up a little bit more, and over time you're going to build strength in this position in these new ranges. So as you stretch into new ranges, you then do the isometric strengthening to build strength in that position and allow more hip mobility and movement. That's your external hip rotation, pails and rails.